Honge ici nĩ ciugĩte cigatabania ndereti ĩno kũrĩ ateti othe arĩa mararũĩrĩra iturwa itiganite cia ngavana na seneta kuma kaunti-inĩ ciothe 47 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
We want to be dealing with such an issue. We don't need to belabor that, and these are crucial times for our country, in our country's history, and we hope that these elections are going to be not only free, fair, but most important, that they are also going to be peaceful. We stand for issues of security, we promote peace, we are very keen on issues of national integration.
Oho nĩ morĩtie mũingĩ ũhĩmbĩria ateti arĩa mena kĩonereria kĩega harĩ kũigithia thayũ na ciĩranĩro cia gũteithĩrĩria harĩ uthii wa nambere kũrĩ bũrũri.
Do have a lot of work to do, and it beheads all people from every corner of the republic to first of all accept that we need this house called Kenya, and that everybody has a role to play in building it, because if it is not complete, there will be no Kenya.
Simiyu Verunga kuma rũhonge rwa kũhunjia thayũ na ũiguithanio nĩruo rwa NCIC nĩorĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ matigĩtĩkĩre kũhũthĩrwo nĩ ateti harĩ gũcũngĩrĩra ngũĩ nĩguo maheo mbeca.
When you speak the truth to a friend, that friend will momentarily hate you. But when they sober up and start understanding what you are saying, then Kenyans will understand that actually we need to do what is right and put this country on a roadmap that will put us together.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wambui.